So you landed on this video because you want to learn more about the Team Build Club priority list. And I'm going to tell it to you right now. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, 6-7-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies. And today we're going to go over the Team Build Club priority list and what it's all about. So I'm going to let the owner explain it best. Let's go.
Let's analyze that priority list now. So when you start free, you will definitely have some members who registered before you and some members who are registering after you. The members who are registering after you are your downlines, and the members who are registering before you, who have registered before you, are your uplines. Now, if you decide from a free member to start affordably getting your first package, let's say you decide to become a basic member with a small amount, and I will show later the process, you are going to become a basic member, and all the people who are still free members in Team Build Club, they will become your downlines. So basically, you are jumping on top of all the other free members, no matter if they registered before you. Doesn't make any difference. So let me show you another example. Let's say you are a free member and you decide to become a platinum member. As a platinum member, now your downlines will be all the gold members, all the silver members, all the basic members, and all the free members. And it doesn't matter if they registered before you. Why? Because you're in a higher package. Let's say now a basic member decided to become a gold member. Automatically, all the silver members, the basic members, and the free members becomes his downline, which means now he has even more downlines than before. Another example. This member decides to go all the way from free member to buy the platinum package. Now, immediately he jumps on top of everybody, and all the platinum members, the gold members, the silver members, the basic members, and the free members are her or his downlines. Immediately he's building so many more downlines than being left there as a free member. Now, a silver member decides to become a diamond member. What happens? As a silver member, he had all the basic members and free members below him. Now that he decided to upgrade to a diamond member, he has all the platinum members, all the gold members, all the silver members, all the basic members, and all the free members, no matter which date they joined. And even if they joined before him, now they are becoming his downlines. So he's building a bigger and bigger downline if he upgrades or she upgrades to a higher level in a higher package. So let me analyze a little bit the different packages.
All right, so looking at this slide right here, you can see right here it says priority and future placement. So you see it says low, medium, medium, high, and highest. So basically what that is this platform right now, as you can already see, it's been taken off. It has thousands of people already in the platform right now as we speak, and it hasn't even been going long, not even 6 months in. So let's say it starts to get, it gets massive, and then he's ready to start opening up some other projects, or this one starts to, kind of slow down a little bit, the momentum, and now he wants to, kind of leverage a new platform. So what we do is you create another platform. Let's say it was Team Build Club 2.0, right? And now within that one, now you're going to have all these people that's in here. Right now it's over 14,000. Imagine over 100,000 of us all up in this platform. And based on the priority that we're at, remember, let's say you was on the highest, right? So that's diamond. So now there's only 119 diamonds right now, okay? So 119 of us is going to get first priority out of 14,450. That's huge. So that's only 119 at the top, and then all these other people are below us. Over 13,186 people below us. Okay, so that's put you in a position right out the gate to already be having some massive success and having, a large percentage of this volume up under you. So I don't know how they're gonna, allocate it out or anything like that. But however they decide to do it, you have the highest priority. If you have the diamond, you have high at platinum, you have medium high at gold, medium at silver, medium low to basic, and you'll be at very low with the free. Okay, so those are the advantages of putting yourself in a higher percentage, a higher bracket to get a higher percentage and more benefits. Also, you're going to get a more payout. Okay, so you only make half of what you make if you was at one of these higher levels. You'll be getting 20%. Either way it goes, you get paid regardless. That's the good thing. So even if you come in at a free level, you're getting half of what you're supposed to make. So let's say someone comes for a diamond, you normally would make $100 for that. Now you're going to make 50. Even as a free member. The only thing that changes is the fact that, of course, you get more advertising credits to be able to advertise. We be seeing things at the bottom. You see these banners and things. You'll be able to advertise those. But more importantly, which I feel is, you get to take advantage of these pools. And these pools mean if you're in the gold pool, then all these gold members right here that you see, 334 gold members, they're going to split that up and give it to you. Okay? So all the people in the gold pool will be able to get a percentage. Okay, so it's a percentage, and you'll get that. So that is the benefit of positioning yourself in the best position that you possibly can, the highest position that you can, to get the most bang for your buck. All right. So if you're ready to get started, it's free. Remember, it costs you nothing. Just text leads to 702-553-3326. Okay, LEADS, leads. Or you can hit the link below, to go ahead and get started for like international people that can't text. Or you see that up above, that QR code? That right there is to let you know all the income opportunities that I'm currently in. So I know you've been seeing that the whole time. Just go ahead and scan that with your phone, and then it'll actually open up a text message as well, so that you can see all the top 10, well, not even 10, but top passive income opportunities that I'm in. And last but not least, if you got questions, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions that you may have. Also, if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. That way you get notified when I do these type of videos. And don't forget to hit the bell, so that way you don't get left out and find out like way later, when you log on and say, oh my God, you put up a video. You don't have to do that. You get notified if you hit the bell. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.